Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LifeLock by Norton for dark web monitoring. To begin your registration with LifeLock by Norton for dark web monitoring, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official LifeLock website URL and hit enter. Once the web page loads, look for the Get Started or Join Now button and click on it. You will be directed to a page that outlines the different plans available. Take a moment to review each plan to determine which one best suits your needs. After selecting your desired plan, click on the Sign Up or Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and date of birth in the required fields. Proceed to enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password meets the security criteria specified on the page. Once your information is filled in, review your entries for accuracy. After confirming your details, click on the Next or Continue button. The following step may require you to input your mailing address. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Next, provide your phone number for account verification purposes. You may also be asked to select security questions for account recovery. Choose questions and provide answers that you can easily remember. Once all necessary details have been entered, click Next or Continue. You will now be taken to a payment page. Review the pricing details for your chosen plan and enter your payment information. Ensure that you double-check your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you have entered your payment details, click on the Submit or Purchase button. Your account will be created and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log into your LifeLock account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dark web monitoring settings. Select the option to enable dark web monitoring for your account. Complete any additional setup steps as prompted on the screen. Finally, review your account dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.